Yeah, so basically we got a couple different grade options here. Here we have the heel-proof ADA as we discussed. This one's a little bit more decorative. It has a somewhat horizontal vertical design, both heel-proof and ADA. This one's your standard thin slotted ADA compliant grate. We use this at 9 out of 10 times. We've put this in everywhere from driveways to parking lots to manufacturing facilities to college campuses to an Air Force base. So very versatile. We've actually put something very similar in Amtrak. They purchased about 1,000 linear feet too for their railway track. And then over here is our galvanized steel grate. This is a slotted galvanized steel grate, good where salt water and other chemicals may be a concern to a certain extent. Cast iron, ductile iron may oxidize over time, but if you maintain it with some patina, oxidation and rust actually increases the integrity of the grate, depending on the type of oxidation it is. So if you're dealing with specifically some salt water, snow melt, things of that nature, you're good to go with a galvanized steel grate, more or less. If you need to bump it up to something more chemical related, for instance, a brewery or a chemical processing facility where they're dealing with caustic chemicals, then you would bump it up to a stainless steel. We also have our heel-proof, paw-proof grate over here. This is what we generally put in kennels, dog kennels. It works pretty well, keeps the solids out, and the holes are so small that a lady's heel will not penetrate, nor will an animal's paw. And then here we have another grate. This goes on our concrete channel, our fiber reinforced concrete channel. As we can see, there's some traction buttons over here. That's an anti-slip measure. Let's say if this is going in a loading dock, in airport runway, both of which it has gone into in the past. These traction buttons allow for an extra measure of anti-slip and additional, basically, friction for airplane tire.